Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix app isn't installed error in Android. We will go to figure out this solution. We will just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and you just go down, then you click here on apps and we come here to this window here like you say, and we just go down here to looking for Google Play Store here, and we will click here on Google Play Store. Then we come to your next window here like you say, and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK and we just go down, then you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and it's going to work with you. So if you go to Play Store, you click here on Play Store and you can install it any app you want to install it in your Google Play Store. So that's all now, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.